Are you getting any big jumps during the coronavirus, the lockdown? People are staying at home. I noticed I have a big spike on two of my videos. If some of you that are listening to this podcast, you don't know, I have another YouTube channel which is called the Sabby BG Show, where I do a lot of street interview sort of stuff. And I was at 197,000 subscribers just like 15 days ago. I got a big peak on two of my videos, and suddenly I'm at 220,000 subscribers, like within 5 days. So you know, we love the curve, but I think it has also to do with the shift north. The north shift in the curve is also because a lot more people sitting in and watching videos. Are you also experiencing that upward shift on any of your videos or on your channel, like throughout?
Yeah, I have noticed that my view count, my views, even my watch time has gone up. It's almost doubled, I think, just because people have the free time to watch videos. And I know it's an awful time right now, but at least people have something like YouTube where they can go on and watch videos and release their creativity.